All right, we're changing the door lock actuator, and we're doing a video on this because this is a front door that I've not seen on YouTube. And there is one pivotal piece that is different on a front door than the other doors, and it's because there's a locking mechanism. So you're going to see, I've just put the new one in. There's a lot of monkeying around. You got to take this plastic sheeting off. It's got this weird gunk that holds it on. It's really high tech. And basically this, if you can imagine that, this is the old one. It goes there. You can see that piece. This is up there. There is a little star-shaped opening there. And that connects to the door handle. You can imagine there's that piece there. That is what this goes into. Now, getting this off, there is a bolt here that you take off to get this off. Initially, it seems quite tricky to get off, but the key is push it this way. Like when you're trying to get it off, give it a little firm push this way, and it gets it unlatched from this piece of the door trim right there. I've sprayed this down with a lot of WD-40, so it's a little greasy, but that seemed to help around here. But you need to get it pushed sideways so it'll actually come out. That is key. That is what none of the other doors and none of the other videos will tell you. That, you know, you can take all the other bolts off, take the things that connect into all these little pieces here. That's easy. You have to get this door handle off, and to do that, it's you really just have to trust that it will come out. And if it's not just pulling straight out, you might have to push it towards the front of the car to dislodge it from this little lip there. So obviously in the other videos you've seen, you have to take this, you have to lift the window frame up so you can jimmy this thing around so that the door frame or the window frame goes through here, then this goes up like that in there. So the window frame is there. You know, that's tricky, but you know, you'll figure it out. Mostly it's how do you get that thing out, and you need to take the door handle off, but to do that, you really need to finesse getting that door handle off, has to get pulled out. Happy door lock